Alright, so there we go. So today we're going to be pre-lubing the LS. I went and picked up an E46 from Justin Chestnut over at After Hours Auto Sports in Denver. If you need drift stuff done, talk to him, he knows what's up. So let's see, I got this pre-luber I borrowed from him when I picked up the E46. Basically, it's basically a pressurized tank with a little valve on the end, and it's like a bicycle valve, and you fill it up with air, and then you connect it to the side of the engine block, and then open the valve, and the pressurized tank, like a bicycle tank, will force feed the oil through the engine. And so what I'm doing for the first fill of this is that Lucas straight 30 break in here, because you want a non-mineral based oil. So that's what we're gonna get to doing here. So what you want to do is take this plug out inside of this LS block right there. That's gonna be a, what is this? Looks like a T8 bit. I think that's what it says. Yeah, it's a T8 Torx. So that's what you want to do. Let's put that in there and take it out. Let me put you in here. Alright, so after you pressure lube, you want to wait with the valve open till you get oil like that, just barely dripping out of the push rods, of each little push rod hole. So some of them aren't filled, you can see it's dripping. You want to rotate the engine over until it drips. Make sure you have this above it, and don't flip this upside down. Just leave it open and then kind of shake it a little bit up and down, and then leave it. It takes a while. Alright, so next we're going to install the Jegs LS1 rails and some 1500 snake eater injectors. These dudes. Oop, wrong one. Alright, so this is how you install a 14400 Jegs LS1 rails. Basically you put them in the rail first and then seat them in the manifold. This little bolt goes across and has a little lock washer and then screws into the manifold. You don't use the injector clips. Yeah, so and that's pretty much how you do that. You can still wiggle them around if you need to. Just make sure you lube them with oil. This kit's like $100, and I mean it is a $100 kit, so, but it does seem to work. Does come with their crossover hose with the fittings. Overall, it looks pretty good. I mean, looks good to me, man. I mean, it looks. Now we'll see if it leaks when we put fuel through it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment, and tell me what you think.